Number one, keep your home warm. Number two, let's hop at works. Number three, let's try something. Number four, let's watch a movie. Number five, look at the picture. Number six, look straight ahead. Number seven, love your neighbors. Number eight, Mary can dance well. Number 9, may I ask your name? Number 10, may I eat this cake? Number 11, may I say something? Number 12, Muslims pray to God. Number 13, my friend helped me. Number 14, my knee is bleeding. Number 15, my room keeps leaves. Number 16, my teacher hates me. Number 17, my wife is a doctor. Number 18, no one ate the cake. Number 19, no one doubted that. Number 20, no one even noticed. Number 21, nobody cares for me. Number 22, oil floats on water. Number 23, old habits die hard. Number 24, people love freedom. Number 25, perhaps that's true. Number 26, please do something. Number 27, please let me sleep. Number 28, Rome is an old city. Number 29, she became a doctor. Number 30, she can drive a car. Number 31, she didn't like ham. Number 32, she has a few books. Number 33, she has pretty eyes. Number 34, she kept on working. Number 35, she kissed my cheek. Number 36, she knows the truth. Number 37, she likes ice cream. Number 38, she works in a bank. Number 39, she is not my sister. Number 40, she is very innocent.